The High Court has dismissed a bunch of writ petitions filed by some Goa police personnel upholding their 1-year pay reduction for corrupt practices during a 2009 traffic check at Kortalim. A team from the anti-corruption branch conducted a raid on 21st August 2009 at Kortalim Bridge and found that police personnel including Assistant Sub-Inspector Samba Desai, Head Constable Vishwas Kavlekar, Police Constable Tukaram Narvekar, Police Constables of GRP Sandeep Hirva Kanadkar and Sanju Chania Kumar were stopping vehicles under the pretext of checks but taking bribes under the pretext of fining motorists for traffic violations. In the departmental inquiry under the Goa Police Subordinate Service Discipline and Appeal Rules, these police personnel were found partly guilty of corruption and were imposed a penalty of 1-year pay reduction. The accused police personnel challenged that order before the appellate authorities, the Inspector General of Police and the Chief Secretary of Government of Goa, but both the appellate authorities dismissed their appeals and they finally approached the High Court challenging the penalties. The High Court has now dismissed their writ petitions and has observed that these petitioner police personnel have been let off with the penalties that are relatively lower than what the situation warranted. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.